Hi, I'm Abra Papa from NutritiousAmerica.com, and this is Organic Food. Let's talk about how to make lemonade with organic blue agave sweetener. Okay, let's get started. There's nothing better than a delicious cold glass of lemonade on a hot day. So I've got organic lemons here, and I'm just going to roll them on my cutting board to release some of the juices. Cut them in half, and I'm using this little tool because I think it's fun to use to squeeze my lemons. It's important to buy organic lemons because, first of all, I use lemons in my cooking a lot. It's a great way to add flavor to a ton of dishes, and I zest them all the time. So when you're zesting a lemon, if it's not organic, you're zesting a lot of pesticides and chemicals into your food. So not the best idea, right? So organic, and also when I'm squeezing, I'm releasing some of these essential oils in the skin, and if it's conventionally produced, those essential oils are going to have some chemicals in them. We try to keep it as pure as possible. So just two more because I've already got a ton of juice ready to go here. All right, I'm going to add this to a mason jar because I think lemonade should always be made in a mason jar, just because. It's 3/4 cup of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. That was about 7 or 8 lemons. Then I'm going to add the sweetener. So this is agave nectar. This is 1/3 cup of organic agave nectar. So agave nectar is a more natural sweetener than sugar. We're going to just stir that together. It's lower on the glycemic index, so it's not going to spike your blood sugar levels, which is a good thing. Just going to add some fresh water. And then shake this baby up. And that's it. I'm going to pour it into a beautiful glass because I think lemonade deserves a festive glass. And garnish it with a sprig of mint. And this is 1,000% better than the lemonade that you're going to get in any kind of store because it's sweetened with a natural sweetener. You've juiced your own organic lemons, and you're going to avoid the high fructose corn syrup, the unnatural sweeteners, and sometimes just these strange sort of fillers and odd things that they add to something as simple as lemonade. So what's better than this? Sprig of mint, it smells amazing. Yeah, that's delicious. I'm Abra Papa. Have a delicious day.